Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys. I'm Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you guys? Today I'm going to make a very fabulous gravy with red kidney beans. Such as you can see. Its name is Lahori Rajma Curry. Inshallah Ta'ala, you will be very happy and satisfied after making this gravy, red kidney beans gravy or Lahori Rajma Curry. Let's start our procedure. For its smooth gravy, I am taking some garlic cloves and one slitted green chili and some sliced onions, regular onions. I took some oil, about 1/4 cup, and now I'm getting them sauté. We don't have to get them golden color, just we have to get them translucent and more softened. Okay, also I'm adding some sliced tomatoes in it. Again saute, and we will cook our ingredients until more softened. Now you can see the condition of our ingredients. Now I will turn off the heat and add these mixture in a juicer jug, and I am going to make its fine paste. If you are required, so you can add little bit water in it like this. You can see it's smooth and shiny mixture or paste. Here I have some paprika powder or Kashmiri lal mirch, and also I have coriander powder 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon chili powder. If you like to eat more, so you can add more. Here I have regular salt as your taste, and also I have some green cardamoms 5 to 6 and 1 black cardamom and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. I will add all of these in my grinder jar and make a fine powder. Okay. Now you can see our powder is ready. Let's come to our next step. Here I have same oil and it's about 1/4 cup. Now I am adding some bay leaves, some cinnamon sticks, some black cardamom and some cumin seeds. Now crackle all of these. Okay. I'm going to add some chopped onions. It was 1 medium size onion. I saved 2 tablespoons just, and saute this onion, and also I'm going to add ginger garlic paste in it. It's about 2 tablespoons, and also add little bit water with this so our spices couldn't burn. Okay, again mix. Let's add some sliced ginger and green chilies. These are for a great aroma. Okay, now I will add our ground spices in it. Now it's time to cook our spices very well, because these spices will make the taste and color and aroma of our great curry, Lahori Rajma Curry. You can see the color, mashallah, how much fascinating color of it. Okay, now I'm adding our paste which we made first. Also, I will add some water because our gravy is very thick. Okay, it's about half cup. You can add more water. It's depend to you how much thickness do you want in your rajma gravy or red kidney beans gravy. Keep cooking, keep stirring. We didn't add yogurt in it. In other recipes, we also add yogurts and tomatoes. Both of these ingredients we add. Now I'm adding some fresh coriander in it. Now it's time to add our boiled red kidney beans in our prepared gravy. I didn't add anything in this red kidney beans while boiling. Also, here I have some dried plums and tamarind. I soaked all of these and now I'm using their water. Add some more water and you can use it again. Now it's time to add our garnishing on top and give it some rest about 8 to 9 minutes or until cook completely. You can see it's bubbling. Okay, in the meanwhile, what do we have to do? In the meanwhile, we have to make or prepare a great baghar for our rajma curry, Lahori Rajma Curry, because we added very scant oil in our gravy preparation. So, for making our Lahori Rajma Curry more tempting and attractive and delicious, we will give it a great baghar. For this, I have saved 2 tablespoons chopped onion and some dried slitted red chilies. And also I have added 1/4 cup oil. You can use desi ghee or butter. If you are living in Lahore, so I will prefer desi ghee because I'm also living in Lahore, so that's why often I use desi ghee or butter. Just we have to give it like this normal color. I have turned off the burner or flame and I have added some uh, color, food color, and with this I added some paprika powder with little bit water and I have poured on our Lahori Rajma Curry or red kidney beans curry. You can see, mashallah, how much beautiful and good looking curry have been cooked in our K.Z Kitchen. Mashallah, you can see the thickness and silkiness and smoothness of our gravy. Inshallah Ta'ala, when you will follow my recipe, so you will be very happy to make this gravy like my style. Inshallah Ta'ala, you can see the color also. And I tell you, its taste is really very great because it has all of ingredients very fabulous and you can see it closely, mashallah. Okay, let's serve our Lahori Rajma Curry. Let's garnish it with some ginger slices, green chilies. Okay, now I'm going to serve my Lahori Rajma Curry with plain rice or zira rice, you can say. And mostly in our Lahore, we eat it with naan, khamiri roti, and also with plain rice. You can see, mashallah. Let's taste our rajma curry, Lahori Rajma Curry. So guys, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and enjoy my recipe because it's time to say Allah Hafiz and its taste is very awesome. Keep eating, keep living healthy and keep connecting with me. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.